Hello and welcome back once again to your online art and craft class. Children, by this time I think you had purchased many new dresses. Do you know why? Can you tell me? Yes, because our favorite festival Durga Puja is approaching. Can you tell me which goddess is worshipped? Yes, it's Ma Durga. Can you tell me what is so special about her? Yes, she has 10 hands. She has 10 hands. How many hands do you have? Yes, we have 2 hands. And can you tell me where is she riding on? She is riding on a lion. Yes. And what is she doing? She is killing an evil person. His name is Mahishasur. So children, let's do an activity. Let's see what are the things required. So here I have taken cotton and some hair clips. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have taken 8 hair clips and gum, black watercolor and some crayons. I have taken red, green and so now we will take 2 long clips and we will place it like this. What we will do is we will take the gum and then stick it here. So now we will stick the clip here like this. We will repeat the same process. Now we will use our small hair clips. Same way we are going to make eyes like this. See? So we have to apply gum accordingly. Ma Durga has 3 eyes. So let's make the third eye. We will follow the same process. Let it dry. We will complete other parts. We are going to write capital L. Capital L. We will draw a circle. Like this. We can also make small circles. I have taken green color and then we will draw curved lines like this. I had asked you to take cotton. You are going to take cotton like this and then we will stick it here. Now we will stick the cotton. जिनको हिंदी में लिखना है वो यहाँ पे म लिखें আর যারা বাংলা বর্ণ শিখছো তারা এখানে ম লিখবে। এবার এখানে মাত্রাটা দেবে এরকম করে মায়ের যে ত্রিশূল থাকে সেটা আমরা বানাবো। Or we will make a long standing line. We will write here V and then we are going to write here W. এই যে বুঝতে পেরেছো? Did you understand? Now what is missing? One bindi here. So with the help of crayon we are going to make a circle like this. See?